Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Among Us Mechagodzilla skin. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, starting here, we're going to begin with the face shield. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a nice little line that's going to curve around, and it's going to come back to here. Then we're going to take this and we're going to just connect this with a little bit of a curved line right there. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go out, and it slowly kind of comes in. Then I'm going to jump over here and we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to go out and then slowly bring it in. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and it's going to come up. And right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to go over. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over and connect to here. Now, kind of lined up with the face shield, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come down and back in like this. Now, starting up here on the pack, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up like this. It's going to go over, and it's going to come back down. Now, we want to add some little spikes onto here. So to do this, we're going to draw a little line that goes up, it's going to go down, and it's going to come back like this. We'll do another one here. We'll go up, over, and then down. I'm going to go up, over, and down, and we'll add a couple more on here. Then I'm going to add a few onto the tail. It'll go up, over, and down. Now, starting on the inside, I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, and down, and I'm just going to repeat this all the way across here. We're just going to make the same shape, basically, right across the inside of here. Now, starting over here, I'm going to make a little line that goes out. It's going to come down and then over. I'm going to add a small half circle shape with another little line that goes over, down, and it's going to come up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little line that goes up, down, and over. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, over, and down, and same thing here, down, over, and up. Make another little kind of rectangle shape here, and another one over here. And we're going to put a little point at the end of each one. Now, starting in here, I'm going to add some details. I'm going to start by making a little line that's going to go up to here. And I'm going to make a nice little line that comes all the way to here. I'm going to add some little lines that are going to come right across. I'm going to make a little line that goes down and then up. And some little lines that are going to go over and up here. Then I'll start right here, make one that goes over and up. And we're going to go over and up. Draw some little lines down. I'm going to add a little circle shape here and a little circle shape here with another smaller circle inside. We'll draw a little line across. Then over here on the back, we're just going to add a little line here and a little line here. Little line that goes up, down, and over. And then right up here, I'm going to make a couple little lines right along here. We'll add another one here. Do another little line. Do the same thing here. Here, and then here. We'll make a little line that comes across here and one here. But a little line here. Make a little line that goes down, over, and up. Right here at the end of the tail, we're going to make a line that goes up. It's going to come down and then over. I'm going to make a little line that comes all the way to the end, and then a couple little lines right across here. And I'm going to add one more spike up here. It's going to go up, over, and down. I think it needs one more spike up there. Then here on the arm, we'll just add a little line over and a couple little lines down. And a little line right here with a little circle shape. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Among Us Mechagodzilla crewmate skin. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.